Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started with the Instagram edits. So let's dive in. Now first, you want to download the Edits app and log in using your Instagram account. You do need Instagram to sign in, but the videos you create can be used anywhere, including TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now once you're inside, you'll see a navigation bar at the very bottom. The center tab is projects where you create and manage your videos. And on its left, there's an inspiration section where you can browse trending content, save ideas, and bookmark audio. On its right, you'll find a built-in camera to record directly inside the app, plus insights connected to your Instagram account. Now to create your first video, you want to tap the plus icon. From here, you can either upload a video from your gallery or record directly in the app. After recording, you'll enter the editor. So inside the editor, you can trim your clip by dragging edges, split the video and add music, adjust volume, apply filters, add effects like black and white fade, change backgrounds, use backgrounds or use green screen. You can also adjust voice, crop, or fine-tune visuals. Basically, you can do a lot of things here, even add texts. Now, once you're happy with your edits, just simply tap on export at the very top. And from there, you can post directly to Instagram, Facebook, or save the video to use elsewhere. Your project will stay saved in the app so you can come back later and make more adjustments anytime. Basically, that's how you use the Instagram Edits app to create standout videos quickly and easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!